Porsche is a well-known brand in the car industry for the performance and for the quality. We all know that Porsche is not the fastest when it comes to the Autobahn, but when it comes to the track, Porsche, especially GT3 RS, are shown their potential and that there are less cars who can handle the same corner speed. So in this video that we're going to take a look for, Misha is going to drive an SSR Porsche and is also having a battle with the GT3 RS with the Manthey Kit on it, which means that the GT3 RS has more downforce and of course probably more corner speed. And together with the Viper, they are hitting the track, and I'm excited to see the video because I really like Porsche. I like everything about it. Like I said, the quality is good and of course the performance. So we're taking a look, we're jumping right in.
That's pretty. So 992 RS, familiar wheels and other SSR upgrades. The car is running. I think also some JCR mods. So let's have a look. Just Cup 2's driver excuse. So another R or something else. How's it going? Alright. Good?
Yeah.
So aside from SSR, what does the car also have?
So it's got surface transform discs,
Nice.
RSC1 pads, and suspension secret camber blocks.
Nice. Ah, so that's already quite some good times. I'm seeing. Yeah. Well, I'll grab my camera. So
Tires aren't the best. They've done a few drives.
yeah, you need an R because that's like the car to have a driver excuse. Oh, I'm just on Cup 2s. Alright, I'll grab my cameras and then let's have a lap. Another thing we forgot to mention, GCR exhaust. Well, I think I mentioned it, but we didn't show it to you. Look at this beautiful titanium
Looks pretty.
piece of engineering, and it sounds lovely too.
So I'm excited how fast this car is. It accelerates pretty quick. Oh, but engine light, I don't like that. What's going on? Okay, wow. Still a little bit slippery. Tires probably need a little bit more temperature. But I'm expecting a fast corner speed. Yeah, you can see that this car is quick though. This car is really quick. So oil pressure is good. Oil temperature is good. Water temperature is also good, and they lowered the tire pressure, so the tires could handle a little bit more of temperature. So yellow flag. There was so here they are, GT3 RS with the Manthey Kit on it. As you can see, the big wing, and probably has also the wheels covered for a better corner speed. And there in front of the GT3 RS is, of course, the Black Viper. But because it's not an ACR, I don't know if the power of the Viper is helping it. I guess the Porsche is probably faster. Even if I like the Viper, but yeah. Performance-wise, the Porsche should be faster in the corners. Yeah, thought so. I mean, they're so fast. They're barely braking. Yeah, so here you can see that the Porsche GT3 RS, together with the Manthey Aerokit on it, you can see that it is a well-balanced car between power and performance. But everything in this kind of speed has to go hand in hand, like tires, suspension, brakes. Oh, okay, there's a little bit slippery. Also differential setup. Now he's let him overtake. There's the first carousel we have. And of course with the downforce, the drag. Everything is well balanced on these cars. You can see that. Because especially in this kind of speed, there is still, I'm saying easy to drive, or let's better say safe to drive. So for me, it looks like that this Porsche that Misha is driving in this video is probably one of the fastest street legal cars he drove. Wow. Oh, what? Yellow flag again. Okay, you see a lot of smoke. So I don't see the Porsche GT3 RS anymore with the Manthey kit on it, and the Viper is also gone. So last carousel, and here's the last right corner, and there are a lot of cars in front of him, so he cannot push it. Yeah, he has to step on the brakes.
Yeah, but it's also not too bad.
Wow, that was fast. That was really fast.
That's good, good setup. Yeah. Such an easy, like.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go again if you want, but obviously.
They're yellows. It's If it was just one, okay, but like you know, the yellows, now they're gonna send out the truck. This truck gonna be yellow zone. It's I would have loved to, but makes no sense now.
Yeah.
It was nice that a bit of driving with the MR, the Manthey Kit.
Yeah, very good.
That was very cool. Good fun.
Yeah, good to get a clip of that. Good to be getting past it.
There. Ooh, wow. That nice old Porsche here. I like the color though. I mean, sure, it's not there for the performance.
It was amazing. Loved it. Takes me time to readjust because everything you drive other than this, so much slower with input. That's why I was hitting the curves a couple of times, because you turn in like, oh, it's already like there.
The response is fast.
3.6 on the front, so
Wow. Yeah.
She's ready.
Amazing. No, the turn-in is fantastic. It talks to you nicely. Very good job.
Yeah, Illumia Motorsport set it up at Castle Donington.
Okay.
Racetrack. Illumia Motorsport suspension sequence, camber box.
Very nice.
They make a nice difference.
Yeah.
No.
So if you're looking for a performance car, trust me, you are always going to be happy with the Porsche. I mean, especially with the Porsche GT3 RS. So many of these were sold to I don't know how many people. Like last year, I had really the feeling that this is the car of the year 25. You know, I've seen so many here on the streets. Like if you're just casually driving around, or if you are going on the track, you see this car a lot. But this also speaks for the car themselves. The GT3 RS just probably raised up in the price. You will not regret buying this Porsche GT3 RS. And if you also have $100,000 or euro more to buy a Manthey kit, this will help the performance even more. And it looks so aggressive. Anyway, thank you all guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments what kind of car you want to see next on the Nürburgring. Till then, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.